Where the money do? Where the rapper do? The devil do. I'm a
The rise of the
killer.
drones, a
Where
looming
the
threat
money
demanding
do?
urgent action. Think of a battlefield where the air is thick with the ominous buzz of unmanned drones, raining down destruction from above. This chilling scenario is unfolding across various conflict zones, courtesy of Iran's relentless pursuit of drone warfare capabilities. From the war-torn lands of Sudan to the embattled skies over Ukraine, these lethal machines have emerged as game changers, tilting the scales of asymmetric warfare. In Sudan, Iranian-made drones have proven instrumental in the army's fight against the Rapid Reaction Force militias, turning the tide in this protracted conflict. Meanwhile, in Yemen, Tehran's proxies, the Houthis, have unleashed a barrage of drone strikes, audaciously targeting ships in the Red Sea's international waters. But it is in Ukraine where the true devastation wrought by these unmanned weapons has been laid bare. Shahed drones, supplied by Russia, have rained down in their thousands, systematically obliterating civilian population centers and crippling critical infrastructure. The toll on Ukraine's food and energy sectors has been catastrophic, with grain silos and power plants reduced to rubble, leaving countless lives shattered. The drone threat, however, extends far beyond the current theaters of war. In 2019, Iran or its proxies demonstrated their reach by striking Saudi oil installations with drones, underscoring the vulnerability of even well-defended assets. U.S. forces in Iraq and Syria have also found themselves in the crosshairs of these unmanned assailants on multiple occasions. While combat drones have been part of the military landscape for years, the recent surge in Iranian production and exports has ushered in a new era of asymmetric warfare, empowering a broader range of state and non-state actors alike. These drones boast a lethal combination of flexibility, affordability, and precision, capable of being launched from a multitude of platforms, including trucks, shipping containers, and vessels. Their modular design allows for easy disassembly, transportation, and concealment, further compounding the challenges faced by defense forces. And when deployed in swarms, as witnessed in Ukraine, they can overwhelm even the most sophisticated air defense systems, rendering them ineffective. The most dramatic Iranian drone strike to date, which occurred just this past weekend, serves as a sobering reminder of the immense costs associated with repelling such attacks. Estimates suggest that neutralizing this single assault may have cost up to a staggering $1.5 billion, with a significant portion going towards shooting down the drones themselves. This stark reality underscores one of the most pressing challenges confronting our national defense: the disproportionate cost of countering these relatively inexpensive yet highly destructive weapons. Attack and reconnaissance drones, which also pose a threat to deployed forces as seen in Sudan, can cost as little as $2,000. Even the formidable Shahed drones, which have wrought havoc in Ukraine and against Israel, can deliver massive explosive payloads with pinpoint accuracy over ranges exceeding 3,000 kilometers, all for a mere $20,000 to $50,000. In stark contrast, the missiles used to intercept these drones can cost upwards of $1 million per shot, and sometimes significantly more. The earlier these drones can be neutralized in their flight path, the better the chances of preventing them from reaching their targets. Iran's relentless pursuit of drone warfare, coupled with Russia's deployment of these weapons in Ukraine, has sounded a long-overdue wake-up call for Western nations. They are now scrambling to dedicate greater resources and focus to anti-drone technologies and missile defense systems, recognizing the urgency of this burgeoning threat. At the forefront of this effort is Israel, which faces the most immediate peril. For years, they have been paving the way, and their efforts are now culminating in the imminent fielding of the Iron Beam, a revolutionary laser interceptor system capable of neutralizing drones and missiles. This groundbreaking weapon, the first of its kind anywhere in the world, promises to change the game by dramatically reducing the cost
Where
of
the
interception.
money do? Where the rapper do? The devil do.
As
I'm
drones
a
become more
killer
ubiquitous,
do.
the risk of them being
Where
used for
the
nefarious
money
purposes,
do?
such as smuggling or even as improvised explosive devices, also increases. This has led to the development of counter-drone systems not only for military applications, but also for securing critical infrastructure and public events. Counter-drone technologies encompass a range of solutions, including radar systems, RF jammers, GPS spoofing, and even trained raptors. However, many of these systems struggle to keep pace with the rapid evolution of drone capabilities, necessitating a continuous cycle of research and development. In addition to kinetic and laser-based interceptors, some experts advocate for a multi-layered approach that combines various counter-drone measures. This approach could involve deploying sensors to detect and track drones, followed by non-kinetic measures to disrupt their control systems or jam their communications, and finally, kinetic or directed energy systems as a last resort. Another area of focus, one that Iran is likely exploring, is the development of advanced materials and design techniques to make drones more resilient against countermeasures, further escalating the technological arms race between drones and counter-drone systems. As the use of drones continues to proliferate, it is expected that international regulations and treaties may be necessary to govern their use, particularly in conflicts or situations involving non-state actors. However, reaching a global consensus on such regulations remains a challenging task, especially with nations like Iran pushing the boundaries of what is acceptable.
Where the money do? Where the rapper do? The volley do? I'm a killer do. Where the money do?